panel drops into the front.
Into the front. What drive is it then? If it's mid-engine, rear.
Rear, yeah.
Okay. Is it a rotary engine? No. What is it?
No, it's just the basically the same as the Fiat Stradas and 128s. But they just more or less the whole front wheel drive thing. They just put it in the middle.
Okay.
Put rigid bars in instead
Pull
of
it
steering
backwards.
arms. Yeah. That's it.
It's cool.
It's quite clever design, really. So. Reasonable sized boot at the back.
That's alright. It's got more space than my boot.
Yeah, that's quite well done, really.
It's cool.
And then it's got the fuel tank is in here.
How much does it hold?
I don't know, about 11 gallons, 12 gallons.
Yeah.
And the spare wheels in there. Behind the driver's seat.
In that little thing there?
Something in there,
Yeah, I can see it actually, yeah.
Yeah, also a spare wheel in there. And then the front. That's the roof panel. And there's quite a big space underneath as well.
Do you have to put it on manually then?
Yeah, oh yeah.
It's interesting. How long have you had it?
Oh, we've had this one about 10 years now.
10 years?
We had one before.
You're going to keep this one?
Yeah, the one before had a lot of rot. Because this one's never had any welding done.
It's in good condition.
It's only done 50,000 miles. So
how often do you take it out?
In the summer it goes out most weeks. So.
Yeah? Okay.
It's a nice little car.
Where's your wife there, looking around?
No, she decided not to come out. She said it's going to rain on me, she said.
Yeah. I thought that when I woke up, but I thought, do you know what, I'm going.
So I looked out, so I thought, it stopped raining now. So the roof very rarely goes on because it gets put away in the garage with no roof on. And it usually gets used when it's sunny, so just now and again you have a bit of a panic when it starts raining. I was over there queuing up for this and I thought, it's going to rain in a minute. I have to run back over here.
It's alright when it's light rain, but when it's heavy, that's when
When you're driving along, it's not too bad, but if you just leave it parked, you come back and find the seat's wet and it's horrible. Not that many left now.
This is the first one I've seen.
There's about 100 left in the UK.
100? Thanks for showing me around it.
Oh, right. People mistaken for TR7s.
TR7.
They know it's the proper one with the engine in the right place.
Yeah, the right performance.
That's right.
Yo, give it some revs for me, bro.